Hi, I'm Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. In this video, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about maintaining a swim spa and how energy efficient are swim spas. Two of probably the most common questions we get with regards to buying a swim spa. So hopefully I can answer your questions. Some of the most important questions I have is it easy to maintain your swim spa? Absolutely, 100% it is easy to maintain. I mean, the combination of our filtration jets, our high flow skimmer, our pre-filter, our built-in floor vacuum, our pressurized filtration system, basically, everything combined with our pure water system makes this the easiest swim spa in the world to maintain. I mean, the fact that it's filtering 100% of the water in only 40 minutes also means that it is the most energy efficient swim spa in the market as well. Now, what do I mean by energy efficient? Well, you're going to want to use this swim spa all year long. You're going to want to use it as an all-season pool. Well, I'm telling you, with the Hydropool self-cleaning swim spa, you can do that no problem whatsoever. There are many things that go into creating this swim spa as an energy efficient swim spa, but probably the most important thing that people overlook is the amount of time that this swim spa has to be on to filter all of its water. The fact that it filters all of its water in only 40 minutes means that it doesn't have to be on as long as the competitors to filter the same amount of water, and that's a big difference. The second thing is every single one of our swim spas has an optional hard cover with a 5-inch cover tapered to 3 inches, which insulates the swim spa very well, because the majority of the heat, just like at your head, is being lost through your top of your body. It's just like that in a swim spa. Most of the heat is being lost from the top of the swim spa. Next thing we do to make sure that your swim spa is super well insulated for energy efficiency is that we insulate the pipes and the shell. What does that do for you? Well, it traps the heat of the pipes in there, traps the heat of the shell in there, and basically supports the plumbing and really makes the swim spa incredibly quiet to run throughout the year. Next thing we do is we actually wrap the bottom of the swim spa and the cabinet of the swim spa in a thermal shield blanket. And what's the benefit to you, the consumer? How does that help the energy efficiency? Well, essentially what it does is it traps the waste heat of the motors. Each one of the motors creates 1.5 kilowatts of heat. That heat normally gets lost outside the swim spa through the cabinet, but what we've done is we've trapped it. We've basically made almost a convection oven inside your swim spa. So utilizing that waste heat of the motor, plus adding the foam to the plumbing and the shell area, having a very well insulated cover, and having the swim spa only having to filter for 40 minutes to filter 100% of the water, makes our swim spas the most energy efficient swim spas in the world. So to summarize this video, we went over 2 important concepts. We went over the ease of maintenance and we went over the energy efficiency. Describing the self-cleaning system inside the swim spa, really drives home the point on how easy it is to maintain. With the addition of the optional pure water system, makes it super easy to maintain. And you know what? Creates time for what matters, which means creating time for you and your family to enjoy. The second thing we talked about was the energy efficiency, the ability to run the swim spa for 12 months of the year and make it really, truly an all-season pool. The combination of our insulation, our optional hard cover, our self-cleaning technology really does this and drives the point home that it is the most energy efficient swim spa in the world to run. Thank you very much again for joining me on this video, and I look forward to talking to you on the next.